Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Listen, you are hearing the voice of the one and only Bruce Webb Jr. Let's go verify. This is my Facebook, Bruce Webb, Facebook. Got it? Followed by 11,000 people. If it's not followed by that, my Instagram isn't there. That's not correct. It's not a real page. This is my Instagram, Bruce Webb Jr. Go check that out. Go follow that. Go check out my page. Go check all that out. Okay, cool. So that's me. Now listen, this video is only to show you how to enter a trade and how to get out of the trade so you can trade with me every day between 5 to 8 a.m. Eastern. So the only way you can trade with me from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern is buying my VIP signals. And the only place you can buy my VIP signals that are $75 a month is on tradewithbruce.com. So if you go to tradewithbruce.com, you'll see this website. And then you click the first link, $75 a month VIP signals. And then you pay your $75 a month. And then you click this button, message me on Telegram. Then that's how you message me on Telegram. Got it? Then check out all the other links if you want to. Cool. So tradewithbruce.com. So listen, I'm going to show you the simple way how to get in a trade, how to get out of a trade, how to set a sell limit, how to set a buy limit, how to set a take profit, and how to get out of a trade. That's it. If you can do those simple steps on this app, which is the MetaTrader 4 app, then you can make money with me every day between 5 and 8 a.m. Eastern. So let's do it. So I made a video. I made a demo account, a Trader's Way demo account for this YouTube video. Okay, so this is a demo account. I'll be showing you trades, how to get in, how to get out. I made it Friday. Got it? So this is what it looks like. This is your balance. Okay. Over here, you go to chart. So if you over here go to quotes, I only trade GBPUSD. So you see GBPUSD. We're going to click that. We're going to go to chart. Click chart. Now we're on GBPUSD. So you only have to stay on this chart to follow me and make money. Okay. So let's say in my Telegram channel, I say manual entry. I'm entering a sale now. So all you have to do is click this top right corner, click the word trade. If I say manual entry, enter a sale now, all you have to do is click the word sale, literally. So if whatever account size you have, message me and I can tell you what lot size to use for my signals. But this right here, this 0.10 is your lot size. This is how much you're risking per pip. Got it? If you don't understand that, just ask me a question. Just message me and ask me that, and I'll break it down. Okay? So you set your lot size. Boom. How much you want to risk. All you have to do is click the word sell. So if I say GBPUSD, what you see at the top, GBPUSD, you want to make sure it's on market execution or instant execution, and then you click sell. Boom. We are now in a sell trade. So I want this price to go down. Okay? So when price goes down, we want price to come down here, right? So what price do you see on the far right corner of this page? I see 1.34413. So to edit our trade, we want to enter a take profit so that when price does go down, we want the trade to close automatically, right? So we go to the middle button, click trade. Now this is our open trade, okay? So if you swipe left, click the pencil. You want to edit it. We're going to edit it. Let's go back to see our price. We go to the charts. So, guys, I'm telling you, enter our take profit at 1.344113. No, I'm sorry, 1.34413. So let's go back to trade. 1.3413. So our take profit, we're going to do take profits. 1.34413. You enter that, click modify. That's it. Now you go back to your charts and I move this line. Now we have our take profit set at the level I told you to enter. So whatever price I tell you to enter at, whatever price this line is at, that's the price I'm going to tell you in the Telegram chat. So all you have to do is you can even copy it, but it's easier to just type it in. Whatever you want to do, type it in, you swipe left, you click the pencil to edit it, and you put in your take profit. That's all we do. We put in take profits, or we're going to close it manual. Okay, cool. Let's say this trade is going against us. We are in a loss. I want to close this trade immediately. So I'm going to say, yo, guys, I just closed this trade. Get out of my sell. So you click trade, you swipe left, you click this check mark. You click the check mark. Now you see this orange button, close with loss. Now you can get out of this trade with a loss. Boom. See that? Done. My trade is now closed and it's in my history now. Got it? So now let's enter a buy trade. You go to chart. Oh, Bruce said it's a buy. It's a buy. Manual enter buy. Let's enter it now. You click trade. Your lot size is already set. You click the word buy. Boom. That's it. Bruce said GBPUSD manual entry buy. That's it. So I'm expecting price to go up. So where I put my take profit is based on this line right here. You see the price on the right side? So take profit will be 1.35314. So let's go to our trade. Then we swipe. Let's go back, double check. 1.35317. So let's swipe over, click the pencil. Well, we're doing a take profit. So boom, take profit. 135517. Then you click modify. That's it. Then you modify it. Oh, that was wrong. 135317. See that? You gotta be correct. 35317. Don't guess. Always go back. See, now it's right there perfectly where Bruce said. So when price goes up and hit our take profit, it'll automatically close our trade. And that's what you want. Okay. So that's how to enter a manual buy. That's how to enter a manual sell. Now there are trades where, so let's get out of this trade manually. Let's see if we get some profits. Probably not. All right, let's swipe, click our check mark, swipe. All right, we're back. We were lagging a little bit, so I'm back now. So we're going to close this manual buy. We're going to close it. We're in profit now. So look at this. When we enter a trade and price goes above our entry, see this line right here? This line is our buy entry line. So when price goes above that line, we're in profit. So that's why you see it blue now. So let's swipe it over. Click the check mark. Close with profit. Boom. One click, you're out. Now we done lost profit. Now we done made profit. Manually entering the sell and manually entering the buy. The next type of trade I'll take, it looks like this. It's called a buy limit. So let's say I say GBPUSD buy limit. So this is how you enter a buy limit. I'm going to tell you a buy limit and a price. So it's going to go buy limit GBPUSD 1.34572. So all you have to do is click trade. Now we're going to change this to a buy limit. So let's go look at our price. 34572. So we go buy limit price 34572. That's it. We enter it. Boom. So now when price comes down here and it touches our entry, now that's going to activate our price. That's going to activate our trade, and we want the trade to go up this way. Okay. And then we're going to set a take profit up here. And then you know how to do that now. 34974 when you edit the trade. So when you go back to trade, it's not a running trade, but it's a limit. So when price does go down here, it'll activate. And then we want price to go up after that. Okay. So now let's get rid of it. I'm like, okay, guys, that's wrong. We didn't get activated. Let's delete our limit. So all you got to do is swipe over, click the check mark, and click delete. Boom. All right. Guys, GBPUSD sale. So if I call it GBPUSD sale and I give you a price, this is how it's going to look. GBPUSD sell limit 1.35628. So we go to trade one. Let's confirm the number 35628. So price 35628. Then we got to change it to sell limit. See that? 355. Let me go back. 35628. 35628. Cool. Boom. I'm literally giving you everything you need to enter the trade. So right now, we're expecting price to come up. See that? That's our limit. It's not open yet because price isn't there yet. That's what a limit is. We want price to come up to it, and we want price to come down. Well, we want price to come down. Got it? And then we would set a take profit somewhere around here, whatever, just in general. So it will come up, activate us, and then come down, shoot down. We want it to shoot down. And that's a sell limit. And then we would just, if the trade is open and I say, yo, let's just get out early, we swipe over, click this button, and you get out. Boom. Listen, that's it. If you can follow the 4 steps in this video, how to get in a trade, how to get out of a trade, then you can make money with me every day.